you having Vanshika, but you will see a lot of her on our channel soon, in which she'll be also sharing things in detail and the resources she'll use. She's not gonna gatekeep, don't worry. So we are gonna bring a long winter interview with her soon. Hello everyone. So as I promised that I'm gonna bring Vanchika again. So here is Vanchika Singh, who secured an all-India rank of 101 in CLAT 2025, and this is like a little interview with her. So in this interview, you'll know her journey and you'll know how she prepared. You'll know all her strategies and all her secrets. So, Vanchika, would you like to introduce yourself a little?
Hi everyone, I'm Vanshika. I am in class 12th. I study in St. John's School, Faridabad. And I gave CLAT this year and I secured a rank of, as she said, 101. So yeah, that's me. Hi.
And what was your reaction? What was your parents' reaction when you found the rank?
I did not expect the results to have come out so early.
Very bad timing, by the way.
I just woke up उस time पे. I remember I was getting ready for A-Lit. And I just turned on the geyser of my bathroom. I came, checked my phone. I saw one of my friends texting me कि CLAT का result आ गया, देखूं या नहीं? And I said, मजाक होगा, must be rumors, अभी नहीं आया होगा. And then she said, आ गया. So I checked website पे and सच में आ गया था. So I remember being quite blank. I did not feel anything, no excitement, no anxiety or anything. So I checked and then it was loading and it was buffering. So that's when I felt a little anxious कि load क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. After a few minutes, I saw the rank, I saw the score, and I was like, okay, it's over now. At least one part of the journey is over. And my parents were outside, so I went there, or I said, CLAT ka result aa gaya. And I remember my parents staring at me. And I said, ki, this is my rank and this is the score and everything. And I remember my father crying and I felt so happy. I mean, it was one of the best moments I've ever experienced. So that was that. And then I woke up my sister, ki result aa gaya, and she was very happy. We hugged. And I was a little indifferent to the results. I was grateful. I thanked God. But I was also a little indifferent because A-Lit tha in 2 hours. So I tried to not think about it a lot. And my sister said, ki don't think about it. Just give A-Lit, ki it's the main paper. And we'll think jo bhi sochna hai 4 baje ke baad. So that was that. And yeah, and then I actually congratulated a few of my friends, or then I went to my A-Lit center, trying not to think about it.
Wow, like the part, where you're telling that your dad cried is just so emotional.
Yeah.
You made them proud,
Yeah.
अच्छे से. That is like the best feeling ever. I totally understand. Couldn't say relate. Yeah. So the next question that I'd like to ask is that how has your journey been, like overall? Like how did you decide that you want to do this, you want to go for law, and then how did you come here to study anchor, and how have your experience been here?
I did not know I wanted to do law. So after my 10th results had come out, I was just chilling, sleeping, watching Netflix and all of that. And then my parents came to me and said, करना क्या 11th में, क्या stream लेना है? And I said, देख लेंगे जो करना है. And my sister at that time was in her last year of medical school. So I thought कि मुझे भी science से लेना पड़ेगा. I had not much interest. So I was like, science से ले लूँगी. And then my sister was also there. She said, science लेके खत्म हो जाएगा. You don't have to take science. I'm telling it to you from my experience. So I was like, okay, that's a shocker because I'd always thought कि I'll take science. And she said कि नहीं, you are not taking it up. So then my father told me कि see, you have interest in social sciences. I also like to debate and stuff. So he said कि the interests that you have, you might like this field. So search about it a little. So I then convinced myself after going up on Google and everything, yeah, this is something that I might want to do. So our next stop was finding a coaching center. So our biggest concern was proximity because we live in Delhi NCR and my mom was not very happy on me going to far away coaching centers. So as fate would have it, we landed here at Study Anchor and I met Sarthak sir and Garima ma'am on the first day and they were very nice. So we'd also gone to another coaching center, but my father told me that this one would be better because you might want to take up mentorship and everything, which I find is better here. So I said, okay, I'll do that. मेरा बिल्कुल भी interest नहीं था कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं. I was just letting my dad do all of the stuff. So luckily he did that, and
So your dad had the correct, like, right intuition, right gut
yes.
feeling. Yeah.
So I'm thankful to him. So that is that. And then on the first day of my coaching, I met Mudit sir, and so I took up the class. I went home. I slept, and then the second day the things got repeated. The third day or the fourth day, I saw Kanav Bhaiya, and then I found myself in a friend circle. So we had discussed कि this boy Kanav Bhaiya, we did not know him back then, कि he might get rank 1 or something. So and that turned out to be true. So I actually fixated upon Kanav Bhaiya because I knew कि he is doing a lot of hard work. So I thought कि he is something to look up to.
Yeah.
So even when he did not get a rank in CLAT, I knew he was going to do something big. And even before that, when he was preparing, I thought ki the way he's preparing, I might want to model up my preparation. So that was that. So it played a very big part. I actually took inspiration from Kanav Bhaiya कि कैसे prepare करना है कैसे नहीं. And yeah, he was my role model for most of the part. And then I started to talk to Mudit sir, and I found कि mentorship is so important, and studies are not the only thing.
Yeah, true.
Or he told me to actually take breaks. I was like, ये क्या बोल दिया? ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. But I thankful to God कि he gave me the insights to actually listen to him. And after I listened to him, I took breaks. Every Sunday I took a break. And I was like, okay, this is working for me. And it did work for me. I was feeling a lot happier. I could manage studies as well as fun and not go out itna zyada, but I was still managing it all. And yeah, that was that. I was very happy because this coaching center actually allows people to be human.
Yeah,
I did not
true.
see it anywhere else. We could talk about movies and studies at the same time.
Yeah.
So that was very heartening.
You know, this is so sad, but like so many students just miss out on such a, you know, essential part of preparation, which is mentorship. Because, you know, we are wired in our society that we have to study, everyone has to study, everyone has to fit in a box कि सबको एक जैसे पढ़ना है, सबको बहुत पढ़ाई करनी है, they have to miss out on their fun, they have to miss out on eating and sleeping also. So some people just stop eating and sleeping. And that is not right. So that's why, you know, we have always emphasized on this approach, and that's why we always promote mentorship also, because that is even more studying. Like having a good mindset is even more important than what you're preparing, because you know your mindset will not leave your side on the day of exam. Your preparation might, you know, the paper might get jinxed, but your mindset will never get jinxed. So yeah. So my next question is that, see, so many people prepare for this exam, and कितने तो like करते हैं अच्छे एक दो साल कोचिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन करते हैं, ठीक है, but सबकी रैंक नहीं आ पाती. So you know, as a rank holder, what do you think made your preparation different from the crowd? What separated you from the crowd? What is something which these people are missing out on?
I think there are a lot of things. But the major thing is कि आप mentorship लो, always stay connected to your mentor. Luckily, I had 3 of them. You, Mudit sir, and Kanav Bhaiya. You guys were always there. So always be connected to your mentors. Take validation, academic validation, life में कुछ हो always, because your mental health is very important, and a lot of things are consequential to that, and you have to acknowledge that. A lot of tips that you gave me on the penultimate day were working for me on the day of giving the paper. So stay connected with your mentors. कभी भी just call them, because लगता है शुरू में कि I should not call them या फिर कभी भी call नहीं करना ऐसा कुछ, but कर दो, because the results are for you, right? So and they'll also be happy. तो just जो भी हो, just परेशान them कि ये हो रहा है. So that worked for me a lot, and for my friends also who've got ranks. So that is that. Mentorship is very important. The second thing is consistency. If you've decided on something, be very disciplined about it. And if you take breaks, do not feel guilty about it. Know that you are on break when you are taking breaks. Do not procrastinate. Be consistent. Or a lot of things became so integral to my life, like reading the newspaper. I still read the newspaper because I just can't let go of it. So a lot of things come to your life as integral parts. So do that, be consistent, and be happy with your preparation. Even if there are things that may not go on the trajectory as you have expected to be, let go and talk to your mentors about it. It'll work out.
Basically, like, stay true to your purpose, because like
Yes.
you have chosen this exam and skill. Hopefully, I feel very sad for people who were forced into a certain exam because of their parents. I feel very sorry for you. But then again, since most people have chosen this, you know, paper, this profession themselves. So it is very important that you stay true to it, stick to it, and be consistent. And she was very consistent. She was very consistent with her preparation, and when you are consistent, things get easier. Like initially, if you might, for example, she talked about reading a newspaper. If you'll start reading a newspaper initially, it would seem very tough, but then it will just become a part of your routine, and you'll not even have to think twice before reading. It will just become a habit. मतलब लाइक वो मसल मेमोरी हो जाएगी कि बस उठाना है न्यूज़पेपर, पढ़ना है सुबह उठ के, राइट? तो स्टार्टिंग में डिफिकल्ट होगा, बट इफ यू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट, एज शी सेड. By the way, what helped you stay consistent? Like, जैसे the problem which most people face is that they procrastinate and they're not able to do certain thing every single day. So, do you think that you did something which helped you stay consistent? कोई ऐसी strategy?
Yes, a lot of things actually. Number one being delayed gratification. So set up tasks for yourself and then try to complete them. After you're done with those tasks, watch a movie, go out with
Reward
your friends,
yourself.
reward yourself. That works a lot. And again, talking to your mentor is very important. वो आपको बताते हैं कि schedule कैसे करना है दिन and all of that. And other thing is, CLAT prep is actually very fun. It makes you so much smarter. And I felt that this whole journey has made me so much mature. I was not like this. I did not really read a lot. I have been a reader, but I did not read a lot of classics and all of that. I came upon the chance to read those during my CLAT prep. So the thing is that CLAT prep, luckily, is very fun. Unlike, say, NEET or JEE. It's very fun. You get to read new things. You get to do things like maths, basic maths, right? So it's fun. It's like solving puzzles, solving games, and making friends. I made a lot of friends here. Shout out to Komal, Aditi, and Palak. I mean, those guys were always there for me. And we used to do GK together, especially with Aditi. And we also used to think कि अगर ये question आ गया ना सब हमें ही पता होगा. But CLAT ऐसा आ गया कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. But staying connected with your friends helps you a lot, and most of my friends were in other cities. I did not meet them, so online we used to talk, but we talked so much now besides studies also. It felt that we are in this together, so that also helps.
And it also like helps you stay accountable.
Yes.
This is so beautiful. So I have been here like 2 years. Like I have seen 2 batches of law pass out and do amazing things. So पिछले batch में it was Kanav's group, which had Kanav, Daksh, Adya, and Vanshika. And now in this batch there are so many like beautiful friendships that I see, and it's just amazing that you guys are making friends here. Which honestly, like when I was in this phase, I did not ever expect that मेरे कभी coaching center में दोस्त बन नहीं सकते and all, and मेरे ऐसे बने भी नहीं. But it is so beautiful that you have these friendships, and I see that you guys have very healthy competition. Like अब यहाँ पे जैसे कनवुना का ग्रुप था, वैसे यहाँ पे 2-3 ग्रुप्स हैं, ठीक है, 2-3 क्या अच्छे खासे 3-4 है, and everyone is just so true to each other. They are like very good friends. वो healthy competition है. It's not वो feeling नहीं है of jealousy or something that if one person got a rank and another did not, तो वो jealousy है या गुस्सा है, नहीं. They have beautiful friendships here because they were true. They were true to their preparation. They were true to the exam. They were true to themselves. So.
And when you make friends, beware of the toxic types of people. I mean, they're not doing it for any other, right? I mean, it's not their fault that they're being so toxic. They're comparing you with them. It's that they also want to do good, but it will not help you mentally. So, unse detach ho jao and make good friends, healthy friends who will motivate you to study. And I remember calling Komal raat mein rote ki mujhse nahi ho raha hai, and she said chup kar aur pad le. That helped me a lot. So make friends like those who motivate you to study and keep you happy. So that also is there.
I think like one key takeaway which I'd like to give you all from whatever she said is that make this preparation fun. See, usually ना बचपन से हमने पढ़ाई को एकदम ऐसे सजा और punishment की तरह लिया that oh my god I have to study, like but the whole point of doing something properly is being passionate about it and doing it with fun. And what she did by she basically showed interest at whatever she was studying. She was true to it, ठीक है? She was not using any shortcuts, and she also made friends जिससे आप accountable भी रहते हो and you also have fun साथ साथ में. So I think basically you have to find ways. See, this work for her might not work for you, ठीक है? So you have to find other ways. It's almost like कि जैसे मेरे साथ बहुत होता है कि like मैंने पूरे semester नहीं पढ़ा college में, and then like one day before I'm studying exam से, and फिर when I actually start studying and I realize that oh my god this was actually interesting and I wished I would have given it more time. So basically book उठा लो, ठीक है, एक बार try कर लो, ठीक है, अगर अच्छे से पढ़ोगे समझ के तो आएगा, अच्छा लगेगा, you know, knowledge is fun, right? So make your CLAT preparation fun. I think that's the key takeaway here. So now I'd like to ask you a question on CLAT and ALET, ठीक है? Since you have given both and अभी ALET का result तो वैसे नहीं आया, it's about to come soon, but like CLAT, many students ask this question that is there a difference between CLAT and ALET's preparation, ठीक है? So I'd like to know that. Since you have given both exams, पहले तो tell me कि exam दोनों थे कैसे और क्या difference था दोनों में, ठीक है? And second that preparation में difference कोई.
So, CLAT and ALET, I do not think I'm qualified enough because the results aren't out yet, but still, there's not much difference. The thing is, there are a lot of additions to your ALET prep. There's no difference as such. The thing is, you have to do certain extra things like grammar, analytical reasoning, अब तो CLAT में भी आ गया, and you have to be prepared.
वो भी गलत है.
हाँ, you have to be prepared बहुत ज़्यादा to the mental aspect, क्योंकि CLAT is still something जो एक पैटर्न पे आता है, पर इस साल वो भी पूरी तरीके से नहीं आया because there were a lot of shockers, analytical reasoning, legal में passage में से questions नहीं थे. To be prepared कि पैटर्न कुछ भी आ सकता है, हमें सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस करने से मतलब रखना है, पैटर्न से हमें इतना मतलब नहीं है.
They surprise you every year.
हाँ, you just strategize कि अगर ऐसे आ गया तो ऐसे करना है, ऐसा आ गया तो ऐसे करना है. Let your subconscious mind take over, right? और ALET में तो हर साल ही पैटर्न का रिपीट होता है. इस साल लकीली नहीं हुआ. इस साल ALET was a very good exam, being on the easier to moderate side. और strategize, give a lot of mocks, for both of the papers. I did not give a lot of ALET mocks, I gave a lot of CLAT mocks, but that helped me for ALET as well because I could strategize. और अब तो ALET भी 2 घंटे का है, तो I think that helps. There's not much difference. Analytical reasoning कर लो, and Hindu में there are certain passages जो आते हैं which are not necessarily the editorial types, political, environmental passages. तो उन passages को ChatGPT पे डालो and tell it to make analytical questions and it will do the work for you. You will get questions जो ALET की तरह बने हैं, scenario based questions, LSAT के logic games कर लो, so that helps for ALET.
Great. तो basically CLAT and ALET में skill तो same ही use हो रहा है ना, which is your reading skill, awareness skill. तो यही basically answer है, which I think Mudit sir has also repeatedly said in the previous videos as well, that पेपर में स्किल्स तो सेम ही नीडेड है, तो ऐसा कोई बहुत डिफरेंट प्रिपरेशन नहीं होगी, बस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होगा जो आप मॉक से कवर अप कर सकते हैं. वो भी आई थिंक मोस्ट लोग CLAT के ज्यादा मॉक्स देते हैं ALET के कम, बिकॉज उससे दोनों की ही प्रिपरेशन हो जाती है. सिंस CLAT में द कंपटीशन इज मोर, सिंस मोर पीपल एक्चुअली नो कंपटीशन इक्वल है, बट CLAT में मोर पीपल आर गिविंग इट. सीट ज्यादा है बट मोर पीपल आर गिविंग इट, राइट? ओके. So my last question is that what is that one message that you like to give all the CLAT and ALET aspirants watching this video?
If you've decided on it, be happy और कर लो, क्योंकि at the end of the day it's your hard work and fate, क्योंकि इस साल जैसा पेपर आया, mindset plays a role, but again it's fate, and fate comes if you work hard and you're mentally prepared enough. So that is that. Be happy and prepare well.
Thank you so much, Vanshika. Also, please look out for our next video, because in that she will be sharing what she did section wise strategy, and we did not include it in this video since it's already so long. So look out for our next video. Thank you so much.